welcome back to my channel. Today I have a what's for dinner video. I have 5 recipes that are another 5 family favorites. No, nothing like super extravagant or hard or anything that I feel like little kids or picky eaters wouldn't necessarily like. We did tacos, you know, and I kind of like, my daughter doesn't eat the meat in tacos. She just does like cheese and the chips and the like a cheese, like a quesadilla almost. So, you know, we kind of adapt to their likings, but pretty easy, simple recipes. And I love watching these videos because I feel like I cook the same kind of things. Like I have the same 10 to 15 recipes kind of in rotation. So I like to watch these kind of videos to get ideas on new things to try with my family. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and let's get started. So for this recipe, I am just searing the chicken. It's in some olive oil and a little bit of butter. And I'm just searing each side to get it nice and brown. This is so good. I just have like random seasonings. I put different things on it every time. So this time I put salt, pepper, I put some paprika, I put garlic powder. I have like a grinder of different garlic seasonings. So I just dump all of that on there and let that cook. Now I am going to add my chicken stock, and I'm also going to add a half of a lemon juice, and then I'm going to add lemon slices and just cook that on low after everything is seared. 'Cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this. Waiting, I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone, but I was sneaking out. So now I am just dicing up all of the potatoes for our mashed potatoes, and then we're going to do the same for the carrots. I'm just going to make honey glazed carrots. Super simple and super yummy. And if on this night, my husband's very, very rarely home for dinner. So because he works nights. So he was actually home this night, so I enlisted his help in peeling while I chopped and got everything else cooked. Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing all this. Waiting, I call you mine. I know you. So this is the final product, and I love it. It is so simple, so easy, and so good, and also a family favorite. All right, so tonight we are doing tacos. I got some of this Mexican rice, so I'm just boiling the water for that now. And this is the ground beef I use. I get it at BJ's. It's 1 pound, and then I get the big bag of cheese at BJ's too, and I just take it out and portion it. So I will get that going. And also for taco spice, I make my own. I will link down below the video I have that I show the recipe for the taco seasoning. So that is what we're putting in our tacos. Tacos are pretty self-explanatory. You do whatever toppings you like or anything like that. So we were out of sour cream today, So I just did lettuce, salsa, the cheese. We also like to do some tortilla chips in ours, so we did that. And I love that little taco plate that was given to me by a friend last year for my birthday, and I love it. We use it all the time, and you can see my kids, again, with their robot boxes that they make, are walking around the house behind me. Next on the list is steak tips. This is a family favorite. So when we do this, I just cut up some random veggies. So this night we had butternut squash, roasted potatoes, steamed broccoli, and honey glazed carrots. It was delicious. So next I am making spinach stuffed shells. It's basically just regular stuffed shells, but I add spinach to the ricotta mixture. I love stuffed shells. It's honestly one of my favorite meals ever, but unfortunately no one else in my family really likes it. So I am just adding half a container of ricotta cheese, 1 egg, some grated Parmesan cheese, and some Italian seasoning. And then I am just going to dice up the spinach and put that in there as well. That jar of sauce is a homemade sauce that I had left over from the last time I made sauce, which was in my freezer. So I had pulled that out, and that is what we are using for our sauce. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to cover it with foil and I bake it for about 30 minutes. Then after about 25 minutes, I took the foil off and then just broiled it for a minute to get a little golden brown on the top. I also made a Caesar salad and some garlic toast. Everything was delicious. So now I'm just making some chicken wraps. I heated up some popcorn chicken from the freezer. We had a little bit left to use up in a bag, but it was only a couple of pieces. So I chopped up some lettuce, I chopped up the cooked chicken, and then used some honey mustard, some mozzarella cheese, and some low-carb tortilla wraps, and it was delicious. I didn't like the way that piece looked. It was like really breaded, so I chucked it. All right, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked all our recipes. Make sure you comment down below and let me know if you try any of them or you plan to try them or which one is your favorite. The lemon chicken is up there for me. It's like one of my favorites. It's so good. So I also am gonna do another one of these videos and I'm gonna do like appetizers and snack things because I just made like pretzel bites and they came out amazing. So let me know if you guys want to see that video, but that is all for today. Make sure you are subscribed and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.